It hurts to love and not to be loved in return. But what is more painful is to love someone and never find the courage to let that person know how you feel about them. Love is when you take away the feeling, the passion, and the romance in the relationship, yet find out you still care for that person. One of the hardest things in life is when you meet someone who means a lot to you, only to find out in the end that it never meant to last, and you just have to let go of the situation. When the door happens to close, another opens. But sometimes we look so long at the closed door and we don't see the one which has been opened for us. The best kind of friend is the kind you can just be with, never say a word, and then walk away feeling like it's the best compensation you ever had. It is true that we don't know what we got until we lose it. But also true, we don't know what we have been missing until it arrives. Giving someone all your love is never an assurance they will love you back. Don't always expect love in return, but you can wait for it to grow in their hearts. And if it doesn't, be content it grew in yours. You might not hear some things you want to hear from a lover, but don't be so deaf not to hear them from the one who say it from their hearts. Love comes to those who still hope, although they have been disappointed. To those who still believe, although were betrayed. To those who still need to love, although have been hurt in the past. And to those who have the courage and faith to build trust again. Go for someone who makes you smile, because it takes only a smile to make your day a brighter one. Hope you find someone that makes you smile. Indeed, that which has been broken can be amended. It only takes time to heal. Patience is key.